This is NDTV, and you're watching Classics.
वैसे भी किदवाई शादी यहीं हो रही है।
आदाब।
It's a village.
Oh, we're more than used to it. In India, the process of change and the many themes arising out of it are incredibly layered and often difficult to understand, yet they reflect much of what is happening around us. In this episode of 24 Hours, we've picked a rather unusual lens through which we look at some of these issues of continuity and change. We look at a wedding in an old Muslim elite family in Bada Gaon in Barabanki district of Uttar Pradesh. This is the ancestral home of the Kidwai family, a community with threads in more than 50 villages in Uttar Pradesh. The Bada Gaon branch where we are has an illustrious history. The late Shafiqur Rahman Kidwai, the groom's grandfather, was one of the founders of the Jamia Millia Islamia University in Delhi. Mohsina Kidwai, the groom's aunt, is a Congress leader still active in politics. Saif, the groom, works for a television production house.
आज जिसे हम मांझा कहते हैं, मांझा एक ऐसी सेरेमनी है उस दिन सारे ख़ानदान के लोग जो शादी में शिरकत के लिए आ रहे हैं वो जमा होते हैं और वो दरअसल वो दिन वो होता था जब दुल्हन सजाया जाता था। लड़के के घर में भी एक सेरेमनी होती है, देयर इज़ फीस्टिंग, गाना बजाना होता है। बहनें ज़्यादातर ख़ास तौर से फीमेल मेंबर्स ऑफ द फैमिली वो ज़्यादा दिलचस्पी लेती हैं। तो ये लेकिन होता दरअसल ये दुल्हन के लिए था।
Is it sunk in that you're getting married? Huh?
दूल्हा नर्वस है।
दूल्हा नर्वस है, वो होना चाहिए।
लंबा 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 आगे हो।
गिर जाएंगे।
गजर से आया रे बना वो बड़ी धूम, गजर से आया रे बना वो बड़े नाज नखर से आया रे बना, आया आया रे बना मेहंदी लाया रे बना, आया आया रे बना मेहंदी लाया रे बना वो बड़ी धूम, गजर से आया रे बना वो बड़े नाज नखर से आया रे बना। The Kidwais are Ashraf Muslims, the elite, small in number but crucial in shaping Muslim identity in North India, caught in the cusp of transition. बारे में बताइए क्या है?
ये शहाना जो होता है ये मांझे के दिन, चाहे वो लड़की का हो या उपटन वाले दिन, अगर लड़की का है तो सब बहनों को जितने लोग आते हैं उनको ये शहाने कह करके उनको मांझे के दिन पहनाया जाता है।
और ये खास अवध का? हाँ,
खास अवध का। दीज आर टिपिकल लाख के शहाने।
Saif's mother tells us some of her reasons for wanting to hold the wedding in Badagaon.
I am a sociologist and I'm interested in participant study of my family itself. What I feel is that the change is inevitable. But to slow the pace of change, to make it slower, you have the elders. You can allow them to play their role the way they would like to, the way it has been done all over the years. Moreover, the servants, they have served our family over generations. And to this day, they continue to serve to the best of their ability and are completely dependent on what we pay them in return for what they do for us. I don't at all try to live the zamidar role at all. It's the family. It's the family tradition.
When everybody goes, it looks like a haunted house.
Yes.
Like, and nobody stays
But
there.
when-
It's deserted
but-
from many years.
But when someone's marriage is there, everyone comes. We had a great one. सब लोग यहीं आए शादी के लिए। ये पाकिस्तान में रहती है।
कहाँ पाकिस्तान में?
लाहौर।
लाहौर से अलग है, बिल्कुल वही।
बिल्कुल वही है।
बिल्कुल वही है।
थोड़ा सा राइटिंग फर्क है। There are some mango trees, na? So whenever we go there, we always climb it.
It's just mainly, just not the designs. Actually, earlier on our mother's generation, they didn't even have this. They just used to cover the entire hand with mehndi. Just absolutely plain.
Late into the night, you can hear the Mirasans singing their traditional songs, songs which are specific to each occasion. At the moment, it's the final packing of the clothes that the bridegroom will take to the bride's house. What's emerging really distinctly is a conscious attempt that the family has made to make sure that many of their traditions are upheld.
ये मिरास होती है, एक ये बुजुर्गों से चली आ रही है। जो टीवी चली है और ये चला, अब आजकल की लड़कियां लड़के नहीं मतलब समझते हैं कि ये क्या चीज़ है, पुरानी चीज़ क्या है। अब शगुनें तो सब खत्म हो गई। अब शगुन बस हल्की फुल्की, जो वही दूल्हा वाली है या दुल्हन आई या उपटन हुआ, और नहीं पहले तो चलो कपड़ा काटा जा रहा है, चलो घर में ताक भरा गया, ये हुआ वो हुआ, सब बहुत ज़्यादा रस्में थी, मगर अब नहीं, रस्में बहुत कम हैं। इस वजह से असरात। और दूसरी बात बिटिया, मज़हब में भी पड़ गया असर। मौलाना टाइप के नए नए मौलाना जो निकले हैं ना, वो लोग कह रहे हैं कि गाना बजाना नहीं अच्छी चीज़ है, ये गुनाह है, शिर्क है। और हमारे बुजुर्गों में ये चीज़ नहीं कहते हैं कि नहीं शिर्क नहीं, हम लोग पीरों फ़कीरों में जाते हैं, कव्वालियाँ होती हैं।
सब बोरिंग नो। और पहले प्लान था वहाँ पे सब डांस करेंगे, और उन्होंने जैसी कुर्सी मंगवाई तो सब लोग को पता लग गया था कि वहाँ पे सब कुछ फ्लॉप।
You don't enjoy these qawwalis and these songs?
Oh, no, not at all. They're so boring.
It's a headache.
Yes. Could they extend the tune, then lip sing like you're crying?
And then they sing it so loudly, no?
What song do you guys want to listen to?
We want to listen Ankal Ho Na Ho.
We speak to author and historian Salim Qidwai, Saif's maternal uncle and also related to the bride's family. We sort of traditionally see a feudal structure as having some inherent oppression built into it. as someone sort of within that and yet so aware of the various discourses surrounding this, how did you negotiate this in your mind? Was there ever a sense that there were these injustices around you or that you were head of a feudal structure?
Yes, I mean, I grew increasingly conscious of that and increasingly alienated from it till I realized it wasn't as simple as that, and that there were also certain very rich, there's a richness about the tradition which shouldn't, the baby shouldn't be thrown away with the bathwater. So in a way, this would bring them back into the thing that might keep the Miryasins alive, the Nais alive, the Namans alive, all these people who work, depend on weddings as a bonus.
This is talking about Hindi films. A lot of the sort of popular images of what Muslim weddings were like. When you would watch this, was it resonant of real life?
The earlier ones, yes. The earlier ones, yes. I mean, particularly the music. Naturally, not the situation. When you hear, for instance, all the old babuls in various films, the imagery and some of even the verses and the same babuls I'd heard the Miryasins sing here, a lot of those songs were lifted by people like Naushad and Shakil and from this milieu. What made me laugh was the constant representation of the Muslim male hero as a shair.
Zoya Hassan, a political scientist and a close family friend, has her take on it.
You mean the Muslim socials?
Yes.
I mean, they were very amusing because they're so stereotypical. They're very, very stereotypical, just as I find the way in which the media reports the celebration of Eid, which is, it's so stereotyped. There are certain images that the media and very many people have about Muslims, and they just work on them without any effort to interrogate it. But it's quite interesting that those Muslim socials were all about a kind of a waning feudal, a declining feudal system on its last legs. But that has since then been replaced by the figure of the Muslim terrorist. So that's quite a long way from feudalism to terrorism.